just got back from the bins. I spent $146 on this pile. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to Tay Deco. My name's Taylor. I'm a full-time reseller, and today I have another amazing bins haul for you. I spent $146 on this bins haul, which I think is my record. I think that is the most I've ever spent in one bins haul. I actually wanted to stay, but my cart, I was pushing it around and things just kept falling over. I was like, I need to go. But it was so good that day that I wanted to stay, but it was just a little bit of a disaster with the cart. So I have a lot of items to show you. I want to first go over the items that already sold. So a lot of these items are already listed, and some of them have already sold. So let's go over those first so you guys can see what is selling quickly. So the first item that sold was this Anthropologie 100% silk, like a paisley print blouse. It was so beautiful. The colors were gorgeous and it was very spring feeling. It was a size 10 and this sold maybe like 10 hours after I listed it for $32. The next item were these frame like crop mini boot jeans. They only sold for $20 and I did find a few of these, like somebody donated them all and I kind of picked them all up. But yeah, these sold pretty quickly for $20. I think I listed them for $50 and somebody offered me $20 and I just accepted it. Next were these cut by the cloth. They were like a wide leg cropped or ankle cut jean. These sold for $50. They were from that same donator that donated those frame jeans because they were like all together in a pile. But that was such a great turnaround. They were also new with tags, which is such an awesome thing to find in the bins. Next was this graphic tank top. It's Spiritual Gangster. It only sold for $17, but guys, I honestly paid less than $1 for this. And it just sold really quickly, so I don't mind that kind of sale. Okay, I think that's it actually that's sold right now. I also got this 3X Lauren by Ralph Lauren pink button-up shirt that my sister kept for herself, so that was another thing I picked up. And then I also picked up this shirt that I'm currently wearing in this haul. It's 100% cotton. It's from the brand, it's called like India Collection by Emerson Fry. I love it. It's lined. It has like a light cotton lining and it's just like so airy and breathable. There was another piece from that donator that I already listed on Poshmark. Yeah, let's jump into the haul. Well, another thing I wanted to mention. So the reason why this was so expensive, like a big reason, was because there were brand new, like I was like opening brand new donations. This man donated like his whole Banana Republic wardrobe. There was literally 3 garbage bags full of his clothing. And a lot of it was my husband's size. So I did bring a lot of it home thinking that my husband would wear a lot of it and then I could just like resell it, because some of it was like 100% linen items and they were just like higher quality things. So I kind of shoved a lot of this in my cart. I'm kind of regretting it, but my husband kept maybe 4 of the items. And if you can think about 3 garbage bags full of Banana Republic, I didn't get everything, but I did get a lot of it. And so I want to show you because I did list a lot of it already. So I went to my closet and I just typed in Banana Republic because, like I said, a lot of this is already listed. So like this linen, 100% linen button-up shirt, that was in there. These shorts, this double cloth button-up flannel, that's really nice. This vintage Banana Republic khaki, it's kind of like cargo, utility style. I didn't want to like show all of these items because they're kind of boring, but I'll just like quickly go over them. This Banana Republic plaid, it was like a more substantial piece. Shirt jacket, and then there was this black one that was thicker material. These were not in it. These pants were, these I kind of am regretting, these Aiden, because I think that they're kind of an older style too. So I just listed them for $25 a piece. So I wish I would have left those behind. There's another shirt jacket, this zip up hoodie, this slim fit button up. Again, I wish I would have left that behind. This eco hoodie that was in the pile as well. Again, just listed for $25. There was this 100% linen blazer jacket, and I really thought that my husband was going to keep that, but it was just a little too small for him. These 8-inch shorts, again, just listed for $25. These t-shirts, I really thought, again, my husband was going to keep those. They were size large. They were very nice, like cotton t-shirts. He didn't want them, so put them up for $25. The cashmere sweater I found at the bins a different time, but that was such a good pull. What else? I think that's it. So that was a big bulk of the $146. And then another big bulk was these coats. So you can see they're like a wool blend men's coat. Now I'm definitely gonna have to wait till like fall for these to sell, but they were in great condition. They were just such nice coats. I couldn't leave them behind. So there was 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3, and then I have 1 upstairs. So there was 4 coats, because these other 2, I had those before. So then I had those 4 Josse Bank, wool blend coats, and that probably was a lot of the weight for the $146. And then the rest is this pile right next to me that I'm gonna show you guys, and there are some really cool things in here. So let's get into it. Okay, starting out, I have J. McLaughlin size 6 trouser pants, and they kind of have like this split hem at the bottom, very stretchy, very well made, just like a classic career pant. So was so excited about those. Next is this Ann Taylor 100% linen top. Now I don't usually get Ann Taylor, but because this was 100% linen, it was also a size large, and then the linen is in such good condition, and then the price that I paid. So there's 4 big reasons on why I got this. Also, another reason, it's spring, the season right now. So I feel like we're in the season for this thing to kind of sell hopefully quickly. Next, I found this Victoria's Secret lacy sheer bra. And the reason I got it was because it's new with tag. So this is just an easy list. I did not spend a lot of money on this at all. Less than 50 cents, and it'll probably sell for like 20 to 25. Next is this Talbot's 3X, like a tunic top, and I just thought it looked very spring. It was 100% cotton. It was in a larger size. It's very crispy and new. So for all those reasons, I ended up getting it. How cute is this Polo Ralph Lauren kids, like zip up hoodie? This is in great condition, and it has the embroidered horses. This is in a size 6 for a kid. Next is this Lily Pulitzer tunic sweatshirt, and it has like this zipper detail on the side. This is in like new condition. It's kind of like a boring piece, I would say. Lily Pulitzer is known for their bold prints and all the colorful designs, but this is just like a black sweatshirt. But I mean, it just was in such good condition. You can tell by this writing, and like I don't even think that this was worn or washed or anything. So, I might have to sit on that for a while, but I think eventually it'll sell. This was such a great find. This is a beautiful dress by Sailor, and it was new with tag. It's a size medium. I actually have to go to a wedding at the end of the month, and I was thinking about wearing this dress, but then I found a different dress to wear. But it's so flattering and cute and like so comfortable. I'll try it on at the end of the video if you guys want to see. So I'll put that aside, I'll try that on. Next, I got this robe, and this is just like a vintage sheer, floral robe. But I just thought it was so like romantic and whimsical, or like cottagecore. Like there's just so much going for this. I don't know. I felt like this was just really, really pretty, and it came with the belt. It's the florals like really stand out, I feel like. So I was just really drawn to that, and I thought it was really cute. Next is this Velvet by Graham & Spencer. I don't know if I should have picked this up. Size medium. It's just like this waterfall cardigan. So soft. This material is like super, super soft. It reminds me of like the Lewin Gray, that like comfy cozy collection that they have or something. Next are these 100% linen Tahari size large pants. And these, again, they're just in the season. Linen is hot right now. They're like a wider leg, so like the style was good. And then they're also in great condition. So, and I can use keywords like coastal, beach, beachy, terracotta, rust, natural, organic. Like there's just so many good keywords for that. Even like soft girl aesthetic, I've been adding that to my listings and I feel like it's been doing really well. Next, this is another like coastal item, beachy vibes. This is rails and it's just like this pin stripe, very easy like cotton blouse. Again, I feel like this is perfect for spring, summer. Okay, not like super excited about this, but this is just Athleta, just like a razorback tank top, stripes. It's in excellent condition, so I just put that up real quick. Next is this Lululemon puffer vest. This was a great find, but there is a flaw, of course. Right in the front, there's just this little, it looks like a grease or oil stain. So I'm definitely gonna have to stain treat that. Other than that, this is in really good condition. It still has the rip tag. So I'm still excited about it, but I'll definitely just have to stain treat that. And then I'm hoping to list that for maybe like 90. This was a great find. So this is Frank and Eileen, and this is a midi long sleeve cotton dress. Super cute. This is perfect for the springtime, and this brand is definitely a bolo. People are really liking this brand. Next, I have this Anthropologie. It says Cachel, I don't know how to pronounce that. An Anthropologie collab. This is a size 8. It's 100% silk, and it's just this like really pretty slip dress. Super like cottagecore vibes. I could use keywords like patchwork, colorful, romantic, silky. This slip dress is a great keyword. And then this is the item that was right next to this item. So this is a new with tag. It's the India Collection Organic Cotton by Emerson Fry. And this is so adorable. It has like these little puff sleeves and like patchwork look to it. This is just like so spring, summer. It's so adorable. It has a baby doll top. Next, oh my gosh, this was such a good find. Mother jeans. These are the, what are they called? They're a size 28. They're called the Weekender Fray. So they are like a wider leg at the bottom. Like these are just such an awesome find. I have never found Mother in the bins. So I was super excited, and these are in great condition. I was so happy with these. Next is a brand, it's called Solar, and this was next to this blouse and then that Emerson, the other one that I was talking about. It's just like 100% cotton, and it has like this really pretty like lace detail on it. The brand retails for a lot, but I'm not sure how the resale market, there wasn't a whole lot like listed. So I think I might have to sit on this and just, I think if I use a lot of keywords that this could do okay, because I think it's a really nice piece, but I just don't know how many people are gonna be searching for that brand. So with items like this, I like to use a lot of keywords so that the people that are using, you know, searching the keywords, I'm hoping that this will come up for that reason. Okay, these just always sell for me. This is Life is Good cotton t-shirt. This was in a size extra large. I think this was like, oh, it's the Crusher tee, but they've definitely like cropped them more and like made them like a boxier fit, which I like. That's the kind of like t-shirt that I like. But yeah, this is definitely like one of their newer, I would say, t-shirts. And then this is just J. Crew fleece, super soft zip up hoodie. So nothing special, just, but it was like a newer piece and it was in great condition. Next, I have these Abercrombie & Fitch, the 90 straight ultra high rise, size 33 jeans. Again, I got these because the style is pretty recent. It's popular. The brand is pretty popular. The size was great. The condition was great. The price I paid was great. So I put all those things into account. And I also think like Abercrombie & Fitch is like hot right now. So I think that definitely those will sell soon. Okay, these were by those other like crop mini boot pants. These ones are new with tag and they're the same style. They're just like in this tan color. So I kind of just picked them all up. And then I picked up the white ones. These are, again, the frame like crop boot cut. And I found these in a size 28, 29, and 30. So somebody donated There are 3 jeans, I guess. They're all in excellent condition, and I grabbed all 3 of them and I put them all up. Just copied and pasted the listing. It was really easy. And then next I got Faraday, this little mini like chambray dress. I thought this was perfect again for the spring and the summertime. So this will be great. Okay, next I got this. Have you guys heard of this brand? It's called Chuffy. And this was new with tag. This is the Dina Amber shirt. Again, this is like one of those really nice cotton, like paisley print, boho, just like really cute little top. These retail for a lot. I was like looking online, and I'm not sure how the resale is gonna go, but their retail on these was like definitely over $100, which is like crazy to me. Next, I got this Holding Horses by Anthropologie. Again, there's like a theme here of like cotton, really lightweight spring, summer floral blouses. This was a size 8, excellent condition. This was definitely donated by the same person that's like donating all these like cotton things. And then this was donated by that same person. This is Mother. Now I know that their jeans do really well, but I don't know how well their like tops do. But this one is super adorable. Again, like this was just like the perfect donation for me to pick up in this, like right in the beginning of the spring. Like I'm just so excited. So that's what the Mother logo looks like for the tops. And the back is like all these little ties, super cute. Okay, here's another one. This is that Velvet and Graham brand again. This is like just something I just figured that somebody would pick this up during this season. So we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna get a ton for that. Okay, next to those Cut by the Cloth jeans were these ones. They are the same exact style and everything, but they're just a different color. So I'm hoping these sell as well as the red pair did. Last but not least was this beautiful, it's by Chaps, which is like Ralph Lauren. It's like lower tiered, but I just thought this was so pretty. It's a maxi dress and it's 100% cotton, and it's just like perfect for the season. And I've put it on and it just fits me so well. So I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm gonna try this on, and then I'm gonna try on that sailor dress so you guys can see. I don't know, it's just fun to try on some clothes. Okay, so here is the Chaps dress. This is a size small, and I'm usually a medium, and I feel like it fits me so well. Like I like how that looks. I might keep this actually for myself. I wish it had pockets, but I don't know, I think it's so cute. Maybe I'll take this on vacation with me and I can wear it somewhere, but I thought it was really cute, so maybe I'll keep that. Okay, this is the sailor dress. Do you guys like my socks? So cute. I think this is adorable, but I have a cuter dress that I want to wear to this wedding, so I'm gonna sell this one. Okay, so that was everything from this large thrift haul. I'm so happy though that everything's listed. Now I have to go sourcing again. This is part of the job, I guess, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely like this video. And then also, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.